Hi everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I've got a great success story today, this time for client ID 7953. Now, this lovely client was a victim of fraud. She was very overwhelmed by the whole thing. We did offer her a DIY option, but she said, no, I want you to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I need help with it. It's really giving me anxiety. I'd love for you. I'm happy to pay you once you're done. So we worked on getting, all of the fraudulent information off her report, which included a default, which was stopping her finance application. And we did that within about 2 weeks. We got everything removed, which was fantastic. The fee we charged at the end, 1,500 plus GST. She didn't have to handle any of the case. We got it done efficiently and quickly. And she actually wrote to us. She sent us an email afterwards. It was a really lovely email. Just wanted to share that with you. And she said, I'm writing to express my sincere gratitude for the excellent outcome achieved by you and your team. This is indeed wonderful news. I am thoroughly impressed with the service and will not hesitate to recommend Credit Fix Solutions to my friends and acquaintances should they require assistance with rectifying fraudulent credit scores. So there you go. A great feedback from another great client at Credit Fix. If you need help with any credit reports, whether it be education, DIY, you need us to jump in maybe with our law firm, Credit Fix Lawyers, it's as simple as getting in touch and sending us an email. Thanks for listening.